This Chang chisel has been attached to artisan Nguyễn Đức Hải for decades. The Chang chisel, whose name originates from an ancient Vietnamese term meaning strike, is considered the soul of Chang Son's woodworking heritage. For artisans like Hải, the Chang chisel holds a special significance and even cannot be replaced by any advanced tools.
Chang chisel is a tool that few can master today. Modern tools can't match its fine blade. With this chisel, you can carve both delicate and bold lines. Nowadays, only 1 in 10 carpenters uses this ancient tool because its precision and finesse are unmatched by modern chisels.
Historically, Chang Son carpenters traveled far and wide, crafting furniture like beds, cabinets, and intricate wooden structures. Hải also followed in this tradition, journeying with his fellow villagers to showcase the skill and artistry of Chang Son woodworking.
My father was a famous carpenter in our region. In the 1960s, I started working with him, building houses, beds, and other wooden items.
For Hải, though age has slowed him down, his commitment to passing on this tradition to his family remains strong. He believes in creating wooden items that hold the essence of his craft for future generations.
A carpenter must possess natural talent and also be able to draw. But most importantly, they must have a passion for the craft to preserve this tradition.
Although times had changed, Chang Son carpenters continue to uphold the traditional woodworking from their ancestors. Anyone visiting Chang Son and witnessing the masterpieces created here will be impressed by the skill, dedication, and artistry of these artisans. Moreover, they hope to embed respect and cultural values for future generations through their work.